And what's up mga ka-Brainy? Kamusta kayong lahat? It's another great day today. For today's video ay sasamahan natin ang batch 4 sa kanilang first day para sa kanilang practical training. So natapos na sila sa theoretical kaya naman practical na sila. Kasama syempre si Sir John Moscosa. So ayan, excited na sila. Masayang masaya. Congratulations po mga sirs and ma'am. At syempre, bago magsimula ang lahat, briefing muna with Sir John para sa safety. So, di-discuss ni Sir John kung gaano kahalaga ang safety, ang tamang paggamit ng PPEs, mga dapat tandaan syempre at mga bawal gawin during practical training.
We are here at torque wrench. The first thing that we have to always remember when it comes to use of torque wrench is the calibration of the torque wrench. The calibration is written right here, right? And what do you think is the importance of knowing the calibration stick? Yes, correct. On the point that it's being applied, the torque that you're applied is within the valid calibration. Is that clear? Now, on the other hand, there are different kinds of torque wrench. You have a different size of drive. This is a 3/8 drive. 3/8 drive torque wrench, and it has a range between from lowest to maximum. And this is set between minimum of 40, maximum of 200 inch-pounds. Now, aside from knowing the validity, the calibration state of your torque wrench, you have to also physically check the conditions of your torque wrench, right? The mechanical movement, how is it operated? As you can see, it is actually moving. So you have to pull this up and then turn. And there is a gauge that you can see here and select the value that you would like to use. But then you have to repair it to the aircraft maintenance manual. Is that clear to everyone? Okay? So never to use with your head, based on your experience, the use of a torque wrench. Sometimes you're familiar with the size of the, what we call this, the fastener, and you know, based on your experience, the torque value. Never to rely on that. What is a good example is you have to always refer to the manual. Is that clear? All right? And then you can now set the torque value from the torque wrench. Considered to be as main critical tasks. Okay? The reason why the manual tells us to apply torque is because it is part of the main critical task. It is only one of the main critical tasks. And most of the time, it is what we call required inspections item. Did you all understand? It is a required inspections item because the certain component or system that you're about to safety is critical. Because if it is not, there is a possibility that there is what? A possible consequences. Right? If it is not properly torqued, or if the RII, the required inspections item, were not carried out, were not performed, by a certain individual, that particular system that you work with, it might fail later on. If the manual says apply and safety, do it. Irregardless of the positions, the area, if it is difficult, no. We have to do it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will be demonstrating to you how to perform a safety lock wiring.